Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and if you are looking for ElementsKit Pro plugin for your WordPress website, then in this video I will guide you how you can purchase it from Bloggingify store and how we can deliver it on your WordPress website. So let's get started. So I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just click on the description link and you will redirect on the ElementsKit Pro product page. Okay. So otherwise, here is the second way to find out this product. So just open your browser and type for Bloggingify store and open our store. So here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins with original license key with lifetime auto update or yearly updates. So if you need anything else, so just click on the search icon and check our categories. So in the page builder you will find Elements Kit Pro, Element Pack Pro and other uh, Elementor add-ons. Okay, so if you need anything else, so you can explore it. And here you can see Elements Kit Pro activation with original license key. So here's the few details about this product. So let me explain you one by one. Uses for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually, we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us, and we will install our license on your WordPress website. So you will get all the future updates. License type original license key we have. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, last name, your WhatsApp number with country code, your email address and other information, and select your payment gateway according to your country and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect this type of thank you page, and here you can see a download button. So just click on it and you will see our premium contact support. So send your website temporary access with us and we will install your product in a few minutes. That's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So thank you so much for watching this video.